Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we gonna learn about Indian states and their state birds. Andhra Pradesh, rose-ringed parakeet. Arunachal Pradesh, great hornbill. Assam, white-winged wood duck. Bihar, horse sparrow. Chhattisgarh, Baster hill myna. Goa, flame-throated bulbul. Gujarat, greater flamingo. Haryana, black francolin. Himachal Pradesh, western tragopan. Jharkhand, Asian koel. Karnataka, Indian roller. Kerala, great Indian hornbill. Madhya Pradesh, Indian paradise flycatcher. Maharashtra, yellow-footed green pigeon. Manipur, Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Meghalaya, hill myna. Mizoram, Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Nagaland, Bleats tragopan. Orissa, Indian roller. Punjab, northern goshawk. Rajasthan, great Indian bustard. Sikkim, blood pheasant. Tamil Nadu, emerald dove. Telangana, Indian roller. Tripura, green imperial pigeon. Uttarakhand, Himalayan monal. Uttar Pradesh, Saras crane. West Bengal, white-breasted kingfisher. For more videos subscribe to our channel. Thank you.